In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable subtasks in Shortcut for better task management. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, what it does, and how to confirm it's working in your workspace. Start by opening Shortcut. Once your workspace loads, look over to the left sidebar. That's your command center for navigation. Click on Settings to open the workspace level configuration area. Inside Settings, locate the Workspace Features section and then click Features. This is where Shortcut groups powerful options you can turn on or off for your entire workspace. Give the Features page a moment to load. It may take a second. When it's ready, scroll down until you see the Subtasks section. This area explains what the feature does and how it fits into your team's workflow. Take a moment to read the description. Subtasks are designed to help you break a larger story into smaller, actionable pieces. That makes planning clearer, handoffs smoother, and progress easier to track across your team. As you review the information, you'll also see details about estimates and GitHub connections. Subtasks can carry their own estimates, which is especially helpful if different teammates are handling different parts of a story. If your workspace uses GitHub, you'll also notice notes about how subtasks can relate to branches or pull requests, depending on your existing integration. If you want a deeper dive, click Learn More. That will open official documentation in a new tab so you can return here without losing your place. When you're ready, find the toggle next to Subtasks. If it's currently off and you want to use subtasks, click to turn it on. If you need to disable it for any reason, click to turn it off. After you click, wait a moment while Shortcut updates your feature settings. You might see a quick spinner or a subtle confirmation. Next, confirm the status has changed. Look for a clear indication near the toggle. Its position and label should reflect whether subtasks are enabled or disabled. If you've turned the feature on and don't immediately see it reflected across your workspace, refresh the page. A quick refresh ensures your boards and story views pull in the latest configuration. The next time you open a story, you'll be able to work with subtasks according to your team's preferences, including estimates and any configured GitHub links. That's it. You've located the features page, reviewed what subtasks offer, toggled the setting, and confirmed the change. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Shortcut.